Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will discuss IUPAC nomenclature of remaining functional groups. In previous lecture we have discussed IUPAC nomenclature of acids and their derivatives. So next functional group is we have cyanide and isocyanide. Symbol is CN. There is a triple bond between carbon and nitrogen. So its suffix is nitrile, and when it is used as prefix when higher priority group is also attached in parent chain, then it is used as a prefix. Its prefix is cyano. So for example we have the compound CH3 CH2 CH2C, and we have to write the IUPAC name. So we can see in parent chain we have 4 carbons. So for 4 carbon root word is but. All the single bonds are there. So A primary suffix is N and secondary suffix is nitrile, and lowest number will be given to this carbon. So its IUPAC name is butane 1 nitrile. There is one more thing, we will not drop E from N because next is not a vowel. So E will remain here. But if we need to use it as a prefix, then higher priority group must be attached in a chain. For example, we have now we have this compound. There are two functional group. One is carboxylic acid and one is cyanide. So cyanide will be used as a prefix because priority of carboxylic acid group is higher. So it must be included in chain. It will remain outside the chain. So parent chain will be so lowest number will be given to the functional group. So now name is 3-cyano. The prefix is cyano. So 3-cyano. Parent chain contain 5 carbon, pent, all single bonds, N1. So name is 3-cyanopentane 1-oic acid. So this is the nomenclature of cyanide when it is used as suffix. Suffix is nitrile, and when it is used as prefix, then prefix is cyano. Next group is isocyanide. The symbol is NC. There is a triple bond between nitrogen and carbon. Actually, one sigma, one pi, and one coordinate bond is there. So its suffix is isonitrile. The prefix suffix of cyanide was nitrile, so it's isonitrile. When it is used as a parent functional group, then it is isonitrile, and when high priority group is also attached, then this isocyanide, then it is used as a prefix. Prefix is isocyano. Let us do its IUPAC nomenclature. Now this carbon will not include in chain. There is a direct bonding of nitrogen and carbon. So this is only 3 carbon containing chain. We will give lowest number to this carbon. So this is This is propane 1 isonitrile. E is dropped from N because next is a vowel there. But if high priority group is attached in parent chain, then it will used as a prefix, and prefix is a isocyano. In priority order, we have discussed the priority of cyanide is higher than that of isocyanide. So now this will be the parent chain. It will remain outside the chain and act as a substituent group. So now at 3 carbon we have a group which whose prefix is isocyano. So name is 3-isocyano butane 1-nitrile. So this is the nomenclature of isocyanide, how to use it as a suffix and how to use it as a prefix depending on the parent chains. Next is we have aldehyde. Symbol of aldehyde is CHO and its suffix is the suffix used for aldehyde is al and the prefix is used for mile. So the IUPAC name for this compound is 3 carbons, single bonds are there, so it will be propane 1-al, or simply we can write propanol. But when high priority group is attached, then it will act as a prefix. So now we can see there are two functional groups, one is aldehyde and one is carboxylic acid. So carboxylic acid will be included in parent chain, it will remain outside of the chain, act as a prefix, act as a substituent group. Numbering, we will start from here. COH will get a first carbon number. So now its IUPAC name is, at third position we have a formyl group. So 3 formyl. Parent chain contains 4 carbon. So its name is 3-formyl butane 1-oic acid, or we simply write butanoic acid. Next we have a ketone group. Symbol is carbonyl bond is there, C double bond is called carbonyl. So ketone will always present in the middle of chain, it can't be present at terminal positions due to free valency at both sides. So its suffix is on and its prefix is keto. Make sure it always present in the middle of the chain, it can't be present at a terminal position. For example, we have to write the IUPAC name for this. So it is present in the middle of the chain. At both sides there are free alkyl groups or free valency can be there. So its IUPAC name will be, numbering we can start from any side, it is symmetrical. So its name is pentane 3-on. again E will be dropped from N because next is a vowel. But if we have to use it as a prefix, then higher priority group must be included in chain. For example, we have to write the IUPAC name for this compound. There are two groups, aldehyde and ketone. The priority of aldehyde is higher, so it will be included in chain. Now we can't keep ketone outside of the chain because it can't be present at terminal positions. It is included in chain but act as a prefix. So numbering will be started from here again, from functional group carbon. So at 3 position we have a keto group. Total number of carbon 4. For 4 carbon we have root word but, single bonds butane. So it is 3 keto butane 1 al. This is the naming of aldehyde and ketone. Next we have alcohol and thioalcohol. Symbol for alcohol functional group carbon functional group is OH. So its suffix is all. But when it acts as a substituent group, its prefix is hydroxy. Now we have two examples to understand it as a suffix and when it is used as a prefix. So in this chain there are 3 carbon and OH group is present, so it will act as a functional group. So its IUPAC name will be for 3 carbon. It is propane 1-ol. Again E is dropped because next is a vowel. But now we have to write the IUPAC name for this compound. There are two groups, aldehyde versus alcohol. A priority of aldehyde is higher, so it will include in parent chain. Now OH group act as a substituent group, so its prefix will be used, and that is a hydroxy. So at 3 position we have a hydroxy 3 hydroxy butane 1-al. Three hydroxy butane 1-al. So and last we have a thioalcohol, that is the derivative of alcohol. The symbol of thioalcohol is SH. Instead of oxygen now we have sulfur, and for sulfur we use the word thioalcohol. So suffix is thiol, from all to change to thiol, and prefix is special prefix is mercapto. It is used when higher priority group is included in a chain. So how to write the thioalcohol IUPAC names? In first case, there are 3 carbons. Functional group is as such, means thioalcohol. So its suffix will be thiol. So it is a propane thiol. And E will retain here because next is not a vowel. But when high priority group is included in chain, then it will act as a prefix. Prefix is a Mercapto. So in second compound at third position we have a Mercapto group. So IUPAC name is 3-mercapto butane 1-oic acid, or simply 3-mercapto butanoic 1 acid. When COH group is present, it will always get first number. So you may write 1 or may not write 1. It can be written simply butanoic acid. So that is the complete nomenclature of rest of the functional groups. So in 2 videos we have covered all the functional groups. First video containing acids and their derivatives, and this video contain all the rest of the functional groups. I hope you would understand it. Thanks for watching.